So today we're at the river with Safi, 2 other dogs, and Tizzy over there. And we're meeting up with my brother who's got a new puppy. It's a quarter, what is it? 3/4 Rottweiler and a 1/4 Bulldog. So that'll be interesting. Gonna throw some stones, Safi. She'll be 15 next month. She used to do stuff like this. Safi, what's this? I know. Old tears. Play with some stones, but you're a bit old, aren't you? This is Reggie.
Oh, your granny!
This is Reggie.
You thought you could... He'll leg it back to the car now, brother.
How old is he?
11 weeks.
Oh, look at his little...
11 and a half
Oh, you've got...
weeks.
Look at that black tail.
I did check with the vet after he said that he's completely fine. It's just a random spot. The
Reggie.
only Rottweiler in him is his tail spot.
Reggie.
Hello, little man.
Does he know his name yet?
Yeah.
Reggie.
He's just overwhelmed with everything.
Hello. Aww. Oh.
So when did you start?
Hi.
Yes, 2 days ago. Yeah.
Oh.
Probably his 3rd walk.
Reggie. I love the black ring on his tail.
I know. Well, we're not sure what colour he's going to end up, to be honest.
Do you reckon it might change?
His adult fur's coming through on the top and it's all black.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's darker brown, yeah.
It's got brown undercoat and black top.
Hello, Reggie.
So,
A little ginger over.
we have no idea.
Oh. What are you doing? That's what we found. Jack Russell stole this at the start of the walk. And we just found it again. Ready? Come on. Good girl, Safi. Find your ball. Oh, you don't want it anymore. Safs. Not bothered, are you? Safi. Safi dropped her ball before, and the same Jack Russell that stole it has found it and brought it back. Hello.
He won't bite you, but he'll let you have it, mate.
Can I take your ball?
It's just that it's that squeeze a bit that we try and avoid because he tries to get them out, doesn't he? But can do it. You won't bite. You've been very good at giving up because I've got loads.
He doesn't want to give it up, does he? He's dropped it. Thanks, Fred.
Well done, Freddie. Come on, drink now.
Go on, Safi.
Good boy.
So you know it's your fault that Fred stole it, no one else's.
Mitch.
No. Oh, you seem a lot more hyper in the car. You do. Reg. Reggie.
I feel sorry for Wales.
Bye, Reggie. Bye.